Good day, everyone. Let me ask you this. When was the last time you got stuck in traffic? Maybe along Buhangin or JP Laurel during rush hour. You can check your watch. You wonder what happened to our no traffic Davao. The truth is, our city is growing faster than our roads can handle. Every month, 1,000 new vehicles are registered, but our streets, they are stay the same. And what we used to be 15-minute ride can take almost an hour. But traffic isn't just about cars or roads, it's about people. Each honk, each brake, and light represent a worker, a student, and a parent, all just trying to get somewhere. And when we think of traffic as someone else's fault, we forget that we are part all of it. The city is trying with a high priority bus system, new bike lanes, and a better traffic lights. But the real change starts with us. By choosing carpool, rides, public transport, short walk distances, and even follow road rules, we each help ease the congestion. Davos traffic is a sign of growth, but it's also a test of how we grow together. Let's rethink how we move so our city can keep moving forward.